Okay everybody, I'm in Clumber Park again, my favourite place for photography. But we're not here about photography, we're here about dreadlocks. And today's subject is, what do I do with my dreadlocks when they really start to, let's be blunt about this, when they really start to pee me off. Let's roll that intro and we'll have a look and we'll talk about it in a second. Okay, as we know, in life, no matter how much you like something or love something, sometimes it can really get up your nose. Got a beautiful little puppy, 11-month-old German Shepherd, love her to pieces. Sometimes I want to bloody throttle her. I've got kids and I love my kids to pieces, but sometimes, yeah, we'll not go down that road. But sometimes they really, you know. Except for my middle one at the moment. She's just given birth to my first grandchildren. Twins, 2 little girls, beautiful little girls. So she's off the hook at the moment, if you understand what I mean. So no matter what we do in life, some of the things that we like, some of the things that we love really annoy us sometimes, and dreadlocks can be quite high on that list at times. As much as I love them, sometimes they really annoy me. And it's not the day-to-day living, you know, walking around and things like that. It's when I'm doing something, things like housework, tie my shoelaces, they're hanging down in front of me and things. So I found several ways to get around this. One of the things I do is I tie my hair back, and I've only got a couple of ways of tying them back. One of them, which I use more than any other at the moment, is I get all my hair, all except for one strand. So I'll get it all except for one strand, and I can pull it back tight like that. And I've just got that one strand there like that. And doing it like this, I make sure I've got no slack bits, and then I just get a dread and I wrap it round like that. And that's it, that's Bob's your mother's brother. It's there, it's out the way, it's nice and tight, it's not getting in my face, and I can do what I need to do. Sometimes when I'm doing it like this, I need to wear a tam as well. If I'm doing something that's a bit dirty, you know, if I'm working on a car or doing a bit of building work or something like that, I'll put a tam on. Tams are not my favourite things to wear, but it keeps my hair clean and it keeps it out the way. The only problem I've got, because my dreads are that long, is my tam will start here and start to pull back down my head. And I've got one just here, let me just get it for you. There we go. Now this one is massive, and believe it or not, I sat and crocheted this myself. I made this one myself. Sat there watching Games of Thrones or whatever it was, and made this one myself. I find the easiest way to put it on is I bend over, shove all my hair in, and then stand up. So, and that's my hair in my tam, out the way, protected. I look like a friggin' alien with it. But my hair's out the way, you know, stops the muck getting in it, keeps it out my face. Does it look cool? Yeah, you'll make your mind up. I don't know. It's there for practical, not for coolness. Okay? Usually I don't have my hair tied up when I do it like that. I usually have my dreads loose. The old-fashioned way that I used to tie my hair up, I used to use 2 strands. So instead of just using one, I used to take one from either side, like that, and cross them over underneath and do it like that, and then just wrap them round and tuck them in. But I prefer the one strand method now, that way I can keep them pinned back nice and tight, and it's not pulling on the back of my neck so much. So that's basically what I do. Only a short one today, but if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe and ring the little notification bell, then you know whenever I do another video, and I shall see you on the next one. See you soon. Bye.